I'm Lainey Law, and you're watching About the Law. Andrew let me know that there's been a new indictment in the Sandra Birchmore case. What is an indictment, you might be asking? Well, I actually had that same question. According to Google, it is a formal charge of accusation of a serious crime. We also have the difference between charged and indicted. And when you're charged, that means the district attorney found probable cause to prosecute you. When you're indicted, that means grand jury found probable cause to prosecute you. So the grand jury makes things sound a little bit more serious in this case. Because it's a short read, I thought we would do something different and do that today. Normally, I would want to go over the case and kind of give you a refresher, but I actually think this document does a way better job than I could have, so let's go check that out. So as you see here in the indictment, we have the general allegations. So between or about March 27th, 2012 and or about April 1st, 2022, defendant Matthew Farwell was a sworn officer of the Stoughton Police Department in Stoughton, Massachusetts. In his capacity as a Stoughton police officer, Farwell also served as an instructor for Stoughton Police Explorers Academy, which was a vocational educational program for local youth. The Police Explorers is designed to enable youth participants to learn about law enforcement careers. 2. Sandra Birchmore was born May 1997. In or around March 2010, Sandra Birchmore applied to be a participant in Police Explorers. At that time, Birchmore was 12 years old. She began participating in the program in around the spring of 2010 and remained in the program in or around 2016. Prior to, in around 2012, Farwell was a Police Explorers volunteer. He became an instructor when he started working for the Stoughton Police Department in 2012. Before Birchmore attained the age of 16 years old, Farwell engaged in sexual intercourse and other sex acts with Birchmore. Farwell's sexual contact with Birchmore continued in or around early 2021. The Stoughton Police Department required employees, including police officers, to accurately report their time and attendance in order to receive wages and overtime. During some of the shift when Farwell was supposed to be performing his duties as a Stoughton police officer, he was instead engaged in sex acts with Birchmore. He failed to disclose that information to the Stoughton Police Department, and he took steps to conceal his conduct from other department employees. In or around December 2020, Birchmore learned that she was pregnant. Birchmore told Farwell that he was the father of the child. On or about January 2021, Birchmore's friend called the Stoughton Police Department and told the department employee that Farwell had been having sex with Birchmore. Whew! Shortly thereafter, a Stoughton Police Department employee told Farwell about the call. On or about February 1st, 2021, Farwell killed Birchmore by strangulation. Shortly thereafter, Farwell staged Birchmore's Canton, Massachusetts apartment to make it appear as if Birchmore had committed suicide. Oof. Count 1. Killing a witness or victim. The grand jury charges. The grand jury realleges and incorporates by reference the allegations in paragraphs 1 through 8 of the indictment. On February 1st, 2021, in Canton, the District of Massachusetts, the defendant Matthew Farwell did kill Sandra Birchmore, a person known to the grand jury with malice and aforethought, willfully, deliberately, maliciously, and with premeditation, and with the intent to prevent the communication by any person to a law enforcement officer of information relating to the commission or possible commission of federal offense, to wit, commission or possible commissions to the federal offenses, deprivation of rights under color of law in violation of Woof! That is heavy, and here we have our signature. And I do want to say, everyone is entitled to the presumption of innocence until proven guilty. But what a whopping document. We've talked about the Sandra Birchmore case before on our channel, and I just thought that this would be a quickie little update to see what you guys think about this. Give me your comments down below. Where do you think we're going with this? Is this going to have any implications for any other cases? I can't believe that a cop would get away with something like this. there's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world. Anyway, this was just a little quickie update. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it. Be sure to hit subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment your opinions down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!